In early September 1666, the city of London was dry, crowded, and built mostly of wood. Houses stood tightly packed together. The streets were narrow. Many buildings shared walls. Fire was a daily risk, but no one expected what was about to happen. Shortly after midnight on September 2nd, a fire broke out in a small bakery on Pudding Lane. The bakery belonged to Thomas Farriner, a royal baker. That night, the fire in his oven was not fully extinguished. Sparks escaped. Wood caught fire. Within minutes, the bakery was burning. The wind was strong, blowing from the east. Flames spread from one wooden building to the next. Neighbors tried to stop the fire using buckets of water and shovels, but the flames moved faster than the people. More experienced firemen demanded that nearby houses be pulled down to create fire breaks. However, Sir Thomas Bloodworth, the Lord Mayor of London, panicked when faced with the sudden emergency and delayed decisive action. By dawn, several streets were already burning. Roofs collapsed, walls cracked, burning debris fell into neighboring homes. As the fire spread uncontrollably, people abandoned all attempts to fight it. They began to flee. Crowds of terrified residents and overloaded carts filled the streets, making them completely impassable for firefighters. By the second day, the fire had become unstoppable. Entire neighborhoods were burning. People fled with whatever they could carry: furniture, clothes, food. Carts blocked the streets. Smoke filled the air. The sky turned dark, even during the day. St. Paul's Cathedral was destroyed. Despite its massive stone walls, the heat was so extreme that the lead roof melted and poured down inside the building. The spread to the south was stopped at the riverbank, where the Thames acted as a natural barrier. However, the fire continued to spread northward, reaching the financial heart of the city, where warehouses filled with goods and combustible materials only fed the flames further. By the third and fourth days, most of central London was in ruins. More than 13,000 houses were destroyed. 87 churches were gone. Tens of thousands of people were left homeless. The fire only began to slow when there was nothing left to burn. When the flames finally died out, London was unrecognizable. Entire districts had vanished. Streets were reduced to ash. The old medieval city was gone. Yet from this destruction, a new London would rise. Wooden houses were banned. Brick and stone became the new standard. Fire safety rules were introduced. The Great Fire of London did not just destroy a city. It ended an old world and forced a new one to be built from the ashes.